Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Kindly subscribe. Let's get into today's video, which is the Moringa hair mask. You would need Moringa powder, coconut milk, honey. Some people use aloe vera, so if you have aloe vera gel, you'll be needing that as well, and any oil of your choice, including water. For today's video, I will be using grapeseed oil. All the measurements that I am going to use, I will be putting in the description box. Just keep in mind that the quantity that you will use depends on how thick and long your hair is. So I am using 2 cups of moringa, and I ended up using the entire milk because of the consistency that I wanted. With that being said, just make sure you are slowly adding water and coconut milk. Let's briefly talk about the benefits of coconut milk for our hair. So yes, coconut milk promotes hair growth. It contains natural fatty acids that nourishes and protects your hair strands from breakage. So yes, guys, it's imperative that you use coconut milk. So I'm slowly going to add everything else that I need for this mask while mixing it. So you want to add, then you mix, so you could see the consistency. This is also my first time trying the grapeseed oil, and we know that grapeseed oil fights scalp issues by moisturizing the scalp. It helps in blood circulation, which reduces frizz and adds shine to the hair. The purpose of using this mask today is just to see if it can detangle my hair and also add shine to the hair. Now let's talk about some benefits of honey. Honey straightens your hair, it makes your hair smoother, and it prevents breakage. So overall, it makes your hair look shinier, feel softer, and look healthier. So as you guys can see, I am still slowly adding everything that I need, adding the milk to the moringa, because once I mix it, it's so thick and I really don't want it too thick. I want it like slightly watery, but not too watery. I'm not sure if you guys understand what I mean, but just watch and see. This is the final product. This is what it looks like. Now I am going to apply this mask to the hair. This is the hair that I'll be using. Her hair is really thick and also long, so I just want to see if this mask is going to detangle this hair because it's not combed. It was freshly taken out from the braids. I applied it section by section. I would advise you guys to twist as you apply, so that way it's easier for you to wash out when it's time to wash it out. So after applying this mask, you want to leave it in for about 45 minutes to an hour. You could do 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or an hour. So I let her sit for about 45 minutes. Make sure it's covered. Guys, all these DIYs, make sure you're not allergic to any of the products. If I'm using a product that you're allergic to, please find another alternative. So this is what the hair feels like. It feels really soft. This is before I washed it out, and this is what it looks like after I have washed and shampooed it. I'm sure you guys can see the shine. The hair is extremely soft. So yes, this mask does detangle and make your hair shiny and soft. Thank you guys for watching this video. Try it and let me know what you think. See you in the next one. Bye bye.